Assalamu alaikum. My name is Armagan Anjum. I am a research officer from Department of Orthotics and Prosthetics, GC University, Faisalabad. Today I am going to discuss about rack and clearance angle given to single point cutting tool of lathe machine. Overview. First I will explain what is rack angle, then I will explain types of rack angle, their advantages and disadvantages, and lastly I will explain clearance angle. What is a rack angle? The rack angle is the angle of the surface of cutting tool tip over which the removed chip flows. Or it can be said that the angle between the front or the cutting face, which is also called as rack face of the tool, and a line perpendicular to the workpiece, as shown in figure below. This angle is provided to a single point cutting tool. While single point cutting tools are those tools having a single point used for cutting purposes. Types of rack angle. There are three types of rack angle, which are positive rack angle, negative rack angle, zero or neutral rack angle. The images of all rack angles are shown in figure below. I will explain them one by one in the next slides. Positive rack angle. A tool has a positive rack angle when the face of the cutting tool slopes away from the cutting edge of inner side, as shown in figure below. This angle is provided to high-speed steel tools. What are the advantages and disadvantages of positive rack angle? The advantages include it makes the tool more sharp and pointed, reduce cutting forces and power requirements, help in the formation of continuous chips in ductile and soft materials, can help to avoid the formation of build-up edges. While disadvantages include it cannot be used in hard materials, this reduces the strength of the tool. As we discussed in previous slide, in positive rack angle, the cutting tool slopes away from the cutting edge of inner surface, which means that when tool is used, the force applied to the tool is diagonal, which will force the tip to break. Thirdly, it cannot be used in high speed. What is a negative rack angle? It is just opposite to the positive rack angle. So it can be said that a tool has a negative rack angle when the face of the cutting tool slopes away from the cutting edge of outer side, as shown in figure below. It is provided to the cemented carbide tools. What are the advantages and disadvantages of negative rack angle? The advantages include it can be used to cut hard materials, increase the strength of the cutting edge as the force applied to the cutting tool is downward. The tool becomes more blunt. It can improve surface finish and can be used at high speed. While disadvantages include it increases the cutting force and power required, it increases vibration and noise, cause increased friction resulting in high temperature. Zero or neutral rack angle. A tool has a zero or neutral rack angle when the face of the cutting tool is perpendicular to the cutting edge at inner side, as shown in figure below. What are the advantages and disadvantages of zero or neutral rack angle? The advantages include it is easier to manufacture, easier to resharpen, and require less power and cutting forces than a negative rack tool. While disadvantages include it is less frequently used, chip will wear and crater the rack face, build up edges will be produced, reduce quality of workpiece as well as the tool. What is a clearance angle? It is an angle between a plane containing the end surface of cutting tool and a plane passing through the cutting edge in the direction of cutting motion. It is shown in figure below. Thank you for listening.